but Eris Lifesciences could also be in focus after reporting an inline set of numbers for the third quarter, and the company also announced a major acquisition of Swiss Parenterals. So this is for a consideration of 640 crores. Take us through their earnings fine print as well as this particular acquisition.
Well, if you see on the earnings front, the numbers are pretty much in line with what the street was expecting. The revenues were up around 59%. EBITDA was higher by 28%. Margins expanded by around 368 basis points, while net profit was largely flat on a YOY basis. But the bigger announcement was the big acquisition that the company did, nearly 51% equity stake in Swiss Parenterals for a consideration of around 640 crore rupees. Now, of this, 200 crore rupees will be paid upfront, while the remaining 440 crore rupees will be paid at the end of 1 year post the completion of this acquisition. Now, this acquisition is expected to complete by the end of FY24. Now, in addition to this, Eris Lifesciences promoters will also be acquiring additional 19% stake in Swiss Parenterals. Now, this acquisition will boost Eris's portfolio in sterile injectable segment in more than 80 countries, and going forward, the company would require additional investment of close to 40 crore rupees towards its manufacturing capacities and to enhance its front-end sales as well. Now, as per analysts, the deal is marginally EPS negative when it comes to FY25, but it is EPS accretive or EPS positive when it comes to FY26 basis. So largely this deal is positive for the company. Now, the company has been on an acquisition spree. Now, since FY22, it has acquired more than 6 companies, and the deal values of these companies have been anywhere between 300 to 640 crore rupees, and the acquisition valuation multiples have also been in the range of around 3.3 to 4 times. Now, on the outlook wise, if you see for the company continue to maintain the FY24 guidance, now given the FY24 guidance, the Q4 seems to be a bit on the weaker side, and that is because of seasonality factors. But FY25 guidance, revenue guidance that the company has given indicates a 35% revenue growth. Now, they're expecting the FY25 revenue to be around 2,700 crore rupees, while the FY29 revenue guidance that the company has given indicates a revenue CAGR of nearly 20% from FY24 to FY29. On the leverage side, the company has said that after this upfront payment of 200 crore rupees, the company's net debt would be close to 890 crore rupees, and going forward also the company would target to keep that debt to EBITDA at a level of around 2 to 2.3 times, and they're doing acquisitions keeping that in mind. So their leverage won't be on the higher side, even though they are on the acquisition spree going forward also.
Alright, Swami, thanks so much for taking us through that.